Looking to do a buy right
Order
here.
filled.
We're in for 2 contracts each on 10 funded accounts. First trade today. Let's get it. We just need these accounts to be 2,600, then we can get a payout each. Since this is near the bottom of the range, I kind of want to hold it. Just because it has potential to keep going up. Come on, push up. We need 200 more. We get 100 more. Come on. You can do it. Arriba, arriba, arriba. Come on. Dang, we're hella close. I would have normally got out right now, but just because I'm so close, I kind of want to hold it because it's a good trade. It's a really good trade.
Order filled.
Oh, fuck. Let's fucking go. Damn. Oh my god, we only need like $2. Damn.
Order filled.
We just needed to get over 600.
Order filled.
Woo! Locked in the payout, boys. Let's fucking go. We got 20 accounts. We're gonna get paid out. I had a group of 10 already locked in, but I had another group of 10. I needed 10 trading days and get to 2,600. But great first trade. Locked it in. Stayed disciplined. Let's keep it rolling. Switch to other accounts.
Order filled.
Alright. On the take profit accounts. 3 funded accounts linked. We're in for 3 contracts right now. Trying to short this top of the range right here. If it breaks it, we gotta get the fuck out. That was a great first trade though, boys. Holy crap. Oh man. Feels good. Stay disciplined and patient. Look, this is why I entered that previous trade. Gotta keep an eye on this one though. Don't want it to get out of hand. Because look, it bounced here twice basically. One here, one here. This one was like a little fluke, right? Not really like, I don't know, it's kind of like a secondary point. That's why I draw the second line here. So this first line was gonna be my entry point because it bounced here basically twice. Look, it bounced exactly there, right there. I had a buy stop right there for 2 contracts. And this is my backup part. So if it does break this first line and then it does break this line, I know to get out, right? You gotta get it out because, like, where is it going? I have no idea. It could be a wick, but it could keep going down, and then I get screwed, right? So that's why I did a buy stop right here, and then see, it never went and touched that second part because it looks like it's just a fluke. But let's focus on this other trade. But man, stay disciplined, learn from mistakes. I blew so many Apex accounts and funded accounts. I think I blew like 30 or 40 funded accounts, honestly, but I learned from my mistakes, got better, readapted, realized I was over leveraging a lot with the Apex, so I just stick to like 2 to 3 contracts a day. That's like completely fine. I don't need to be doing 4, 5, 6, 7. That's way too much for Apex. It's like, dude, you're in for 5 contracts on 20 accounts. You're basically in for 100 contracts. You know how fucking much that is? It's fucking crazy. Maybe I should probably just sold it. Should have trimmed one over here. I don't like that. Damn, I should have trimmed it. I was talking too much. Ripsky down. Yes, Ripsky down. Stay focused. Draw another line up here. I like to extend my lines. I hate seeing the ends. So now we know this is basically the previous high of this spot. It went above this line, which I'm not really a big fan of, but I do like that it's staying below this. These two, right? But see this little range it formed? These guys, It did break it a little bit. But it could be just a little wick. We don't know. So we just gotta play it by how it's moving. That'd be fucking amazing if it went back to like this bottom zone area. Even halfway, I'll fucking take it. You gotta remember with the take profit accounts, you can't hit the daily loss limit unless you blow the account. Because I only have the pro accounts. I don't have the pro plus yet. So if you do hit the daily loss limit, which is only $1,100 with the 50Ks, you basically lose the account, which sucks, right? But you guys gotta be smart with it. So like max, if I'm like down 800 per the day, just probably 900 max. Just gotta get out. No.
Order filled.
Fuck. See, just took a loss. Damn. See. Oh my god, I should have just trimmed at least one. But yeah, we gotta stay disciplined. Sucks. We already locked into Apex, which is good, but it was my first red day with the take profit counts. Cause see what I took an $850 one. If you take a $1,100 one, you blow the account. So it's just better just to play it safe and not trade it till the next day, because I'd rather not blow the accounts, right? So sucks. We took a loss on that one, but it's all good. Move on to the next one. Looking to get filled right here. We're on the
Order filled.
just got filled top step accounts. We're in for 5 contracts each. So 3 funded 100K accounts, 5 contracts. This is my second day trading these accounts. No. This is the next support line. Overall trend of the day is downward. That's why I'm shorting this one. Retest these areas again. It didn't quite hit this line, which I like. Sorry guys, I have really bad allergies right now. That's why I'm sniffling. First day recording, so see how it goes, guys. Trying to record the journey, progress, and show the growth. And learn from my mistakes. Because I realize when you record the trades, get to replay and watch them back, learn from my mistakes. Other people watch it, they say, like, hey, you could have done this, that. Everybody learns. Right? If it's 1,000, I'm just going to trim one. Usually when I'm in for 5 contracts and I'm in of 1,000, I'll just trim one automatically just to lock it in. Lock in some profit, get some risk off the table. Sounds like a good plan to me. So anytime I'm like 1,000 on 5, I'll just trim one at least. Ooh.
Order filled.
Sold one. If it breaks this, especially this line, we are going down. Which would be nice. And no, those aren't farts. Those are like fucking. Hear that? Like my slippers, this freaking chair, floor. If I rip one, I'll let you guys know. But that was a fake fart. Just waiting for the break, being patient. This is the reality of trading, guys. Like, I could take that profit right now, but I see more potential in it, right? Like, why would I sell at this little tiny range when it has all this potential to go down, right? Can't always look at it like the money point of view, like the money perspective. Oh my god, I'm up $1,000. Oh my god. Yeah, that's cool, but it's like, what's the actual trade doing? What's it looking at on the graph? Right? I see a downward drop right here, honestly. Retest these areas. But if it gets dicey, yeah, you can always get out. Just how it feels. You have like a gut intuition of how it feels. If you have a gut feeling to get out, it's most likely right. So. Yep, see?
Order filled.
Sold another. Locking some in. Man, if it breaks this and closes below that, oh man, that'd be nice. See, look, we were in initially for five contracts. We were down like 1,200 right here. We stayed calm, stayed patient, and it's starting to play out. We sold 2 contracts, so we lower risk off the table, and we lock in some profit. Now we're in for 3 contracts each. That's why it has multiples of 3 right here, if you haven't noticed. I'm not selling 3 contracts at a time. Well, I am, but it's 1 contract on each account. Each funded account. Fuck, dude, if it breaks right here. Then this could be the bottom and it supporting it, right? It's closing above these, which I wouldn't like. If it broke below this, that would be nice. See, it tapped it right here. Never broke it. Tapped it. So I might get out soon, honestly, actually. We're just gonna see how it keeps moving. See, the overall trend of the day is very downward. It's very downward, right? That's what I really believe. Boom, boom, boom. Break. keeps going to this bottom area, so I'm not quite sure what it wants to do. It could just bounce again and go back up here, which 100% could break it. But it looks like it's holding the line, which is not good for us. So I might just get out. Oh. Close below it. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. His 2K, I'm selling one. Because you gotta think. They touched this area, this bottom area, twice, basically. That's why I really believe in it. The overall trend is down. Here's 2K, I'm selling one. You can do it! Come on! You're so close.
Order filled.
Sold one. Now I can let these two rock, basically. For 2 contracts. Dude, if it fucking goes back down here and then retests and it breaks this, woo-hoo-hoo, that would be a chef's kiss. It could definitely do that, honestly. If it breaks this line, it's gonna keep going down. Ugh. Should have maybe sold, but if it does break this upper line, it's gonna be dismal and get out. The reason I held it is just because it's like in the middle, right? It's like it broke this line, could go back down and then retest this area right here. See, but see, it did form a little upper range right here. But see, it never went back up. Just stayed below. Then it broke it right here. That's how I got out on the take profit accounts. It's kind of interesting to see your trades during the day, right? I bought right here with the apex. Great play. Bang. Instantly in profit. Boom. Shorted right here. Lost like 800. But it didn't go that much up. Less. But if I held, I would have lost my accounts, right? So it was good I got out. Should have got out sooner. That's my mistake. I should have got out sooner. But this one, I really do believe. I'm not trying to be greedy, right? I'm just playing it by how the trade is. It's like, oh my god, dude, you're up 2,500. You should have just snap sold it. Yeah, but it's like, what's the overall trade looking like? Like, I really think it's gonna drop and retest this area. That's just my honest opinion. If it doesn't, guess what? You live and you learn and you move on, and at least you tried. But if it does close below this, I do believe it's gonna keep going down. I just don't want it to go up above this line. Then it's like, okay, we gotta get out. That's just my theory. I don't know. I'm just some guy on YouTube, right? Just my opinion. Keeps like testing this. I want to break it. Abajo aquí. If it's 1400, I think I'm just gonna get out honestly and just call it. But if it wants to keep going down, I'll take it too. Because it just keeps staying here. I'm not really a big fan of. Well, it could stay here and then break. But it can stay here and then shoot back up and test these areas. And it's like I should have just sold, right? So it's a double-edged sword. But yeah, if it's 14, I'm out. Fuck it. Just gonna take it. Ooh.
Order filled.
No, I'm out. Oh, I'll fucking take that any day. Good trade. Very, very, very good trade. We shorted right here on this line. I think we got filled right here. Or here. Somewhere around there. 5 contracts. I was down like 1200 right here. But it never touched this. See that line difference? See that? Never quite touched it. Then it ripped on down. Stayed patient, disciplined, and got paid. I think that was let me see how much that was. That was 4805 minus 2260. That was a 2500 trade times 3. So that's what, 7500. Let's fucking go. Glad to get my top step accounts back up. I blew a lot of them. I haven't got a payout with them since January. Fun fact for you guys, Top Step was my very first payout, and I got my very first payout in late January this year, I think. I know it was in January. It was like, I think late January. And then I blew my funded accounts. Went through so many challenges. Now we're getting it back up. But that's the process. So let's move on to the next trade. Alright guys, so basically recap. I've been in this trade for like 2-3 hours. I entered it right here. Then at my peak with 5 contracts, I was down 2800, but I kept holding and it's just been chopping around. So just take a little recap. Probably gonna get out soon just because it's literally not moving. It's never been this choppy for a while. So we'll just play it. Probably gonna get out soon. But yeah, it's just been up like break even, down 1,000, 2,000, down. Just going back and forth, so it's not moving how I like it. But I'm just waiting for it to break a zone. Obviously want it to break this downward zone. But we had banger plays earlier today, so very happy about that. Started trading right here. Then took another trade here. And make another one right here. And this trade I entered right here, but just hasn't been moving. As you can see. For like 2-3 hours. This is 2 funded accounts. MyFundedFutures, 50Ks. I'm in for 5 contracts each. It's like negative 500. I'm probably just gonna sell it, honestly. Negative 500, or if it's just gonna rip back down, just because I'm honestly very tired in this trade. It's just not moving. Alright.
Order filled.
I'm out. It's all good. But overall, really good day. Very good day. So recap. You can see the video, but we entered, I think, the Apex group right here, right before 8 o'clock. Made a great play. Made it to the payout stage. Got to 10 trading days, so I can request a payout at the end of the day for 20 accounts. Take that. Took a loss right here with the take profit. It's all good. Like 800 each. Then made a good play with top step accounts. Banger play, like 2600 each. And just took a $500 loss on these. Just literally been in the trade for 2-3 hours. It's been exhausting. So overall, great day. Let's keep it going. Move on to tomorrow.